Hello everyone. So today's question is 4 minus 2 bracket open 4 minus 2 bracket close. What will be the answer? So let's just solve this in a way that 4 minus 2 is 2 and then multiply 4 minus 2 is 2. That is 2 2s are 4. But this answer is wrong because as per the PEMDAS is parentheses exponential multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, the meaning of these. So as per, remember that multiplication and division has given the equal priorities, that whatever will come first from left to right you will be solving it, and same applies for addition and subtraction as well. They also have the same priority. Whatever will come first, that will be given the priority first. So now let's just solve this question. Just copy down the question again. That is 4 minus 2 bracket open 4 minus 2. So now first of all just solve the parenthesis, that is bracket. So you will be solving it over here. 4 minus 2, it will be 2, and over here as you can see these two are multiplying, and then you can write down 2 and then this left amount. So just see over here, as per the rule, multiplication will be solved first, not the subtraction, because subtraction is coming in the last. So you cannot give the priority to subtraction first rather than giving to the multiplication. So you will be doing multiplication first. So you will be multiplying 2 2s are 4, and this minus sign will come over here and then the 4 over here. Now you will be giving the priority to subtraction, as addition is not present over here. So subtraction will be done. So 4 minus 4 is 0. This is your answer. Thank you.